Welcome to Rodeco Metal Finishing, where precision meets performance. Located in Sanford, North Carolina, our process development lab and job shop are ready to tackle your toughest challenges, from wastewater management to strict cleanliness standards and fast turnaround times. We specialize in deburring, degreasing, surface finishing, edge radiusing, paint and rust removal, burnishing, pre-plate finishing, and more. With advanced capabilities like abrasive blasting, vibratory deburring, and precision parts washing, we deliver high-quality results while helping you reduce costs. If you're looking to enhance your current finishing process or develop a new one, our Process Development Lab is here to help. Through thorough testing, we identify the most efficient and cost-effective solution for your needs. From there, we can supply the equipment and materials to implement it in your facility or offer a per-part pricing option to outsource the work to Rodeco. For more information, visit www.rodeco.com.